Welcome to creating your new course in Canvas. In this portion, we will be discussing how to set a homepage. Within your Canvas course, a homepage is the first thing students see when they access your course. You have the ability to choose as a homepage your course activity stream, your modules index page, your assignments list, or your syllabus. If you would like to choose a specific page within your course other than these, you would need to select Pages Front Page and adjust your home page. As part of the template provided by CLT, you have access to multiple homepage options. From the Pages Front Page line, roll all the way out to Change. From here, you'll be provided a list of all the pages within your course. Here we can see in the page list all of the options available to us. You are not required to use these, however, they have been developed to make life easier. Note that I have options for button-based links to modules. Here I can see that my buttons are labeled modules 1 through 15. You are not required to use all of the buttons. You can edit the page to adjust for the number of modules your course has. You have a similar option where the buttons are labeled as week 1 through 15. Again, for shorter terms, you have the ability to delete those buttons that are not necessary. You do have an option with no links whatsoever. The Start Here, Syllabus, Content, and Support will appear on all options, but note that there are no module or week buttons below. I have the option for a home page with text-based links to modules, which simply lists each module. Again, each of these would need linked appropriately once you've completed your building of your course. And I have a similar option for text-based links to weeks. All of these are available to you as part of the CLT template. If you wanted to choose a different option, note that the one currently selected is labeled Front Page. If I wanted to switch to one that had no module links, for example, I would ensure first that the page is published by turning the gray circle with a slash through it to a green check mark by clicking on it. When I'm ready to choose that as my page, clicking the 3-dot kebab and choosing Use as Front Page resets that to be my front page. It is important to note that no one can decide for you what home page will work the best. You know your content and the way your course is designed best. We invite you to take the time and look through your choices and see which one makes the most sense for you and your content. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.